Quix Pagebuilder shows zero invalid controller and name, gems and format whenever I try to upload an image. So let's see what exactly if problem I have faced. I will try with this one. It is already fixed. I have already fixed. I am showing you just what exactly I am going to do and what I have faced, so that you can face, if you face same kind of issue, just do the same process I have done and then you got your problem solved. So you just open the page, then whenever you try to upload a image, and here you see already it works fine now. It shows me, but whenever I try to upload an image, it throws me this error: zero invalid controller, names, gems and format. How can I fix it? First, install admin tools. How can you install admin tools? I will show you like that. You just close everything, go extensions, then install. You can directly install from web. Just make sure admin tools, yes, and you will see that this is admin tools. So you just click on it, then just install. Here you can install. I already installed this, so I am not going to install it again. So this is admin tools. So after open admin tools, you will make sure fix permission. Yes, this one, click on it and wait for few seconds until it fixed your permissions. Most often this fixed permission solves the problem, but still if you have faced this issue again, so you just go this one and make sure any new version of Quix is available or not. So you just make sure install install Quix version from upload package and download from theme expert site, and just upload it from your installer package, and hopefully then you will see that from my end problem is solved. I hope from your end problem will be solved. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope this will help you to solve this type of error. Thank you for watching, and if you love this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.